All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Yeah, everybody, use that BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoin. It's free Bitcoin swiping that credit card. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Yep, Dogecoin's in the top 10. It's been around for a while. It's a birthday. Dogecoin just had its 8th birthday, so happy birthday to Dogecoin. Traded at around 17, 18 cents. Last May was all the way to 60-some cents, so we're going to talk about that. Also, we're going to watch a little video about Dogecoin, which is pretty cool. How you can use it, how you can send it, your friends, send it peer-to-peer, all kinds of good stuff. And then we also got Cash App. A lot of people are using Cash App. You can now gift stocks and Bitcoin using your Cash App. So there's a new feature on Cash App that you can use to send to Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. All kinds of good stuff. We're also going to dig in and see if there's any discount buys on the top 100. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand it. Today we're talking about Dogecoin, one of our favorite tokens in the top 10. So all kinds of good stuff. Sit back and relax. Let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin is in the top 10. Shiba Inu is number 13, a couple below it. So Dogecoin number 10, it is down 8% in the last 24 hours, so it did do a little bit of a dip. Could be a good time to pick up that 8% back. Traded at just under 18 cents. Over here to the right, again, Dogecoin is down about 9 cents, 9% in the last 24 hours. Here's the last 7 days, everybody. Dogecoin was down here at 16 cents, 16 cents, 16 cents, 16, 16, 16. And wham, it popped way up here to 21 cents. Right now, the coin's at 17 cents. But again, from being at way down here at 16, now it's at almost 18. A lot of good things going on with the Dogecoin. You know, right here on the Twitter, it says, hey, congrats Elon Musk on being on Time Person of the Year for dropping some straight facts about Dogecoin, much more. So, you know, Elon Musk is going to be on Time as a Person of the Year. He's talking about cryptocurrency. Obviously, he's talking about some Dogecoin, because right here on the Twitter account, they're talking about how it's awesome that Elon is talking about Doge. Well, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, we're talking about it too. So we want to make sure everybody knows Dogecoin is back on the pump. Right here, happy birthday to Doge. Oh, wait, that's me. Wow. So Dogecoin just had its 8th birthday. Yep, so happy birthday to the Doge. Happy birthday, number 8. Dogecoin, 8 years being around. Fantastic stuff, everybody. swag.dogecoin.com, and you can get your Dogecoin shirt today. Again, Dogecoin giving a happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So right over here to the website, it says 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital favored by Shiba Inu worldwide. Choose your wallet, you know, so you got to get your wallet to be able to use the Doge. Right here, what is Dogecoin? I wanted to kind of go over this with everybody. Pretty good video.
Revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, Visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, so pretty good video there. We're going to see you on the moon. Don't forget Doge on Mars is going to Mars, but the moon is a good start for a lot of people. You know how to get started with Dogecoin. They have a little thing, choose your wallet, configure your wallet, get some Dogecoin. So, I mean, you can get Dogecoin on so many platforms. You can get it on Robinhood, you can get it on Binance. I think you can get it pretty much anywhere. So Dogecoin's pretty easy to get. So the Dogecoin, happy birthday to the Doge. Happy birthday to the Dogecoin. Well, anyways, a lot of good stuff going on. A little video there. We're going to head over to Cash App. It's got a new feature that you can do the stocks and the cryptocurrency. Let's find out what Cash App. A lot of people are using the Cash App. You can send money from your phone to other people if they have the same app. So let's check it out. Cash App now lets users gift stocks and Bitcoin using their USD balance or their debit card. So here you go. You got the Cash App and the cryptocurrency all around it. There's always a number of ways to gift cryptocurrency, but today Cash App will make it simpler with the new feature rolling out the peer-to-peer payment app. The app, owned by Block, the company formerly known as Square, will now allow users to use US, send Bitcoin, as well as traditional stocks as gifts to other Cash App users. While services like Stockpile and Coinbase allow users to give stocks and crypto, respectively, Cash App notes that this is the first time such features have been offered in a peer-to-peer payment app. So Cash App is pretty big. I mean, a lot of people use the Cash App. Prior functionality Cash App offer that allows users to send Bitcoin to any cash tag on app for free. This makes the new gifting feature different. Users can send Bitcoin using Cash App, USD, or debit card, or just their existing Bitcoin balance. This means users don't have to actually own any Bitcoin or any stocks, for that matter, on Cash App mobile app in order to send it or as a gift. So take a look here. You see the little Bitcoins in the Cash App. And right here's your Cash App. You know, it's just showing you how they're going to send apps of Happy Holidays. So again, on your Cash App, you can basically go ahead and send some Bitcoin, send some cryptocurrency. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at noon. Our bonus videos are around 6:30, 7 o'clock. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you a video around 3 to 4. What do you think of the Cash App? Do you have the Cash App? I know I use the Cash App. That's going to be pretty neat. You can send cryptocurrency as gifts using the Cash App. Download the Cash App today if you don't have it. So let's go ahead and head back over to Dogecoin, do a little price prediction, and what do we think of Doge? All right, over here, Coin Market Cap. Again, this coin is traded at 17 cents. I think this coin's going to get to 30 cents sometime in 2022. I know it was at 60 cents last May, so 30 cents shouldn't be a problem. A lot of people are still pumping the Doge. All our information is for educational purposes only, but go back and look at the charts. Last May was around 60 cents. This coin could get to 25, 30 cents, no problem. Go again at the top 10 here. We got Polkadot is down 12% in the last 7 days. Could be a discount buy. XRP is down 5% in the last 7 days. Cardano is down 10% in the last 7 days. Solana is down 14% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin, Binance Coin is down 10% in the last 7 days. Even Ethereum right now is down 13%. Bitcoin's not doing bad. It's 47,600. It's down 5%. But a lot of people want this coin to go back up to over 50,000. So Dogecoin, happy birthday. Fantastic. You can now go on Cash App and you can gift cryptocurrency. Kind of cool. Go and actually download your Cash App today. You do got to link a debit card or one of your accounts so you can take money out, and when you cash it out, money goes back in. So all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Hey everybody, Dogecoin in the top 10. People love the Dogecoin, not going anywhere. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day today.